Well, that was a close one. That rotor just barely missed my toes. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. This company, Ouxx, reached out to me and asked me if I'd be willing to take a look at their steel-toed work boots. And I said, absolutely. Now, I was in the market for some work boots, and the fact that they reached out to me, I thought was wonderful. I had seen this brand previously on a Project Farm video, testing it in several different aspects, and it did very well in all of the tests. Now, these do look to be a very nice quality. My initial impression, I'm very happy and excited to get to wear these. Comes with a little warranty card here. There's a 7-day free return policy, 30-day free exchange, and they come with a 6-month manufacturer guarantee. And of course, for after the sale service, you can email them at ouxxfootwear.com. I really like these side zippers. That's a really nice feature, and it seems like these will be easy to put on and take off. And they do seem to have a lot of support here on the back. Now they have the steel toe cap here that's covered in TPU, which is thermoplastic polyurethane. It's very durable and can help withstand cuts, abrasion, splitting, cracking. It's also resistant to most oils, chemicals, and heat resistant as well. This is an EVA rubber sole, which would be very good to be non-slip, but it also has a Kevlar midsole that is somewhat puncture proof. So if you step on a nail or something like that, it's not going to go into your foot. Now, just a couple taps here with the Tanya Harding just to make sure that those aren't going to crush and hurt my feet if I start doing some tests while I'm wearing them. Little sledgehammer drop test as well. And it looks like these are very solidly made. Now, the side zipper is really nice, and it makes it easier to put these on. That is, by the way, a YKK zipper. It's very smooth, very good quality. Just makes it a lot easier to put these on or take them off. Really, it's time to get these broken in. So I put them on and went for a little walk. Just trying to walk through my neighborhood just to get a little bit of steps on these boots to make sure that they are going to be comfortable. While I was out walking, I actually decided to lace them a little bit tighter than what I had after about an hour, and then just kept on walking. Now here in the puddles, they are very, very non-slip. They actually still have very good traction and grip even when the ground is wet. Now, as I mentioned, they do have really good ankle support. Walking on pine cones and rocks is something that would normally throw me off a little bit, but these felt really solid and really stable. Now, as you all know, it takes a while to break in some boots. I mean, you just got to wear them. So I just decided to continue to wear these throughout the week, and I figured that would be enough to get them broken in. And sure enough, after the end of the week, they were feeling really, really nice. Now, of course, these boots look a lot better with long pants compared to shorts, but I usually just wear shorts. It's kind of a winter day, so I'm sporting the long pants today and just wanted to go for another quick walk across asphalt, concrete, through the leaves, through the grass. It really didn't matter. These things were very comfortable to wear, and I felt very protected. Now, these, of course, are not hiking boots, but I still just wanted to get them all broken in, and you can see me even just testing how waterproof they are, walking through a few mud puddles here in the grass. They felt really comfortable and really stable, even walking across a few boulders, and also just did a little bit of light yard cleanup as well. At the end of the day, decided to clean them all off. Now, I was just using this hose to spray off the soles, and they cleaned up really nice. These boots are made of oiled nubuck leather, which is waterproof. My feet did not get wet at all when doing this. Now, there is a mesh breathable layer on the tongue or the center part, so as long as you don't spray water in there, and I think on the zippers, I think you'll be fine and water's not getting in there. But walking through a puddle should be fine. Now I just kind of wanted to do a few durability tests, and so here's just me dropping a hammer while I'm wearing the boots. This is a ball peen hammer first, then here's a claw hammer, here's a small Tanya Harding, here's the big Tanya Harding, pipe wrench, there's a fire extinguisher, there's a trailer hitch, there's some flux, a capacitor, a flux capacitor. A lot of people say I'm as smart as a bag of hammers, so here's a bag of hammers. And then here's a nice big knife. Now this one, I guess, is not super sharp, so I decided to do a razor knife with a brand new blade, and that TPU couldn't be damaged. It doesn't cut. Now I decided to do something really dumb, and here's a machete, and I'm just taking a few whacks right at my toes, and that TPU really did protect my toes and my feet. And other than just a few little scrapes, it really doesn't damage it at all. Don't do any of this at home, of course. Now here's a sharp screw. I decided to step on that and see if it went through, because this has a puncture-proof sole. That's right, the midsole is made of Kevlar and designed to be puncture-proof. The screw folded over the first time, so I had to reset it. But the second time, I put a lot of weight down on that and ended up sticking in the sole. Had to pull that out with a pair of pliers. I didn't feel the screw come through. which is great. Again, not real bright, so I don't recommend you do anything like this on your own. Now, it would also be great to wear these boots if you're an electrician. These do conform to the ASTM standard F2413-18, meaning that they have the EH, or electric hazard insulation, providing protection against electric shock when working with or repairing electrical appliances. Essentially, they act as a barrier, preventing electrical current from flowing through your body to the ground, protecting you from electric shock. Essentially, the insulating material on the sole of the shoe stops electricity from passing through your feet and into the ground. And once again, those zippers made it really easy to take these off at the end of the day. Now, I did wear these for the entire day with these white socks, and you can see some of that black kind of staining through. During that leather treatment, I'm sure that there's some dyes and whatnot that are going to bleed out a little bit, but overall, I'm very impressed with the feel and the quality, and these definitely did get very comfortable after a week wearing them. A little stiff in the beginning, but that's to be expected with any new boots. And for me, it was actually ideal that they were stiff because it gives a little bit more ankle support. I'm very, very happy to have them and very impressed. I really like the side zip design, and they did feel waterproof and very, very, very durable. I mean, dropping all of those hammers and even the flux capacitor test, they passed with flying colors. And other than just a few minor scrapes and scratches from those knives and the machete, these things are very nice. I'm very happy to have them. You know, on a lot of my videos, I talk about eye protection, but I seldomly talk about foot protection. And some of you have pointed out, man, why does this guy wear sandals when he works on cars? And you're probably right. I should be a little bit smarter about that. So as you saw in the beginning, foot protection is very important and should not be overlooked. Whether you're a truck driver, electrician, or work construction, or anything outdoor, or even a mechanic or heavy machinery or anything like that, it's very important that you protect your feet, and these Ouxx steel-toed work boots will definitely do that. I gotta say, overall, I'm very impressed, and these are definitely some work boots that I will be wearing. I recommend you get these as well. You gotta protect your feet. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up these exact same steel-toed work boots as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.